maple nuts, my all-time favorite. Hashtag save the nut. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, drop a comment down below and I'll inform you on why you need to save the nut. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tyler Egan, and today I got an awesome fucking video for you. Today I'm going to be going over all the ways that I eat small seed bars. If you don't know what small seed bars are, well, they're this. And they're probably the only brand I really talk about online. And what I mean by that is on my Instagram page. So if you don't follow me over there, you should. I'll put a link down below. Today I'm going to be going over how I eat small seed bars all the time, because I've discovered I wrote a list. I think there's at least 7 different ways I eat these all the time. Man, do they just keep getting better. Plus, I've gotten ideas from other people. So I'm gonna share all the ways that I eat small seed bars, because they're just an awesome brand, they're an awesome company, and the bars are fucking delicious. So I'm gonna be taking you guys through probably the entire week, because if I thought about doing this video all in one sitting, and that would have been brutal, or would it? Actually, probably would have been tasty, but brutal. So first up, I'm going to get my car washed, and I just finished a workout. So I have, hold on, I got the other one in my pocket. We'll get there. So I got 2 bars with me, and the company's motto is convenience without compromise. I think I said that right. As a demonstration, I'm taking these bitches on the go with me. And of course, I got my favorite flavor, maple nut. Hashtag save the nut. So the simplest way, the easiest way to eat these things is just to take them on the go with you. They're basically a meal replacement bar. For me, 1 isn't enough, but for most people it would. To be honest with you, 4 is probably how many I need. Probably be eating more later, so I'll show you guys that. And again, I wanna be taking you guys through this the entire week so you can see all the different ways I eat them. Option number 2, a smoothie bowl. So I topped it, well, I got bananas and walnuts, which are irrelevant. I crumbled up some small seed bars. You can see the wrappers right here. I have a coffee cake and a lemon poppy seed one. And then I also finished off my scraps. Hold please. Had some cookie dough scraps. So they're in here. You can see all the crumbs right there. So this is option number 2, a smoothie bowl topping, and the best one at that. Let's go. I can't wait to eat this. Hey, so I'm back. Today, I just finished a hour-and-a-half bike ride, and I decided to have a bowl of yogurt with some small seed bars in it. So, all right, so here we go. I have my bowl of yogurt here. I actually buy the big container, so I just throw it in the bowl. I got maple nut scraps right here. You can see the container right there. And then I threw a blueberry lemon muffin bar in. This is a good one because it's, it's got a couple of blueberries in there. I'm fucking pumped. They're the best kind when you get huge chunks of bloobs in there. And honestly, I love maple nut because I think you can see it right here. They have little chunks of raisins in there. The flavors that have chunks of stuff in them are like my favorite. So blueberry lemon muffin has become one of my favorite. Maple nuts, my all-time favorite. Hashtag save the nut. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, drop a comment down below and I'll inform you on why you need to save the nut. So this is another way I do it. I actually got the idea from one of the owners of Small Seed, Shane. He always posts on a story like a small little container of yogurt with like 4 small seed bars in there. So I stole his idea. This is what I'm gonna do right now. This is my post-workout meal after my bike ride. So far we have 3 different ways. I still have like 6 more to show you guys. So the previous 2 ideas were Tuesday. So I'll probably take you guys along the ride for the next couple of days and we'll see. It's now Thursday, May 20th. And I just finished up a full upper body workout. And it's time to eat. I worked out fasted today. I haven't done that in a while, so I'm fucking beat. So I got what's left of my scraps here. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna eat them like cereal. So small seed cereal. So this is actually really simple. I had about 1/3 blueberry lemon muffin container left, and I wanted some more. So I threw some maple nut scraps in there. So good. So all you have to do is take what's left of your scrap container. This is what they mean by convenience without the compromise. Your nut milk of choice, I just go almond milk. You pour it in and enjoy. Oh, we almost lost a guy. True story, I got this idea from Shane or Holly, I forget which one posted it first, but it's such a genius move. You don't need a bowl, you can just chuck this bitch when you're done, and maybe clean the spoon. That's your call though. So fucking easy, and I can't wait. Everybody, we're back. Another day, another way to eat some small seed bars. I got a coffee cake one. There's the empty wrapper. Boom. So every morning I have a bowl of oats before I go train. This morning, I'm doing the same. So for this one, I usually just crumble up a bar. If I have scraps or bites, I'll throw that in instead. But in this case, I wanted a coffee cake one, so I'm going to crumble this son bitch up. It's gonna go in my bowl of oats that we got right here, and I'm gonna enjoy it. So here we go. I just crumbled that little bitch up. I got some frozen berries up in her too. And there's almond butter. You can kind of see the remnants on the outside of the container here. I already mixed it in. But yeah, so that's it. That's another way I eat a small seed bar. I crumble it up and throw it on top of my oats. All right, fam, we're back. It's still Thursday. I'm having a post-workout meal, but I got the hook up and I got the new flavor to test out. I'm fucking pumped. It's so good. I've already had it. This one is probably one of my favorite and simplest things that I do with small seed bars. It's a banana seed bar sandwich, and I'll show you. You're gonna need a banana and a knife. I guess you could probably just rip this without the knife, but cut it in whatever size you're feeling. Break off a piece of the small seed bar, cut the banana in half, put the small seed bar inside the banana, take the other half, and boom, you have a small seed banana sandwich or whatever you want to call it. Haven't actually came up with a name. This is one of my favorite ways to eat them. Cut like half the banana in half, and I'm making a really long one. That's what she said. These are the fucking move. Honestly, if you threw some almond butter on here too, it fell out. Careful, these things are slippery. They're so good. I'm back. Another way to eat small seed bars, although this one's just a repeat, but I'm out in nature. I went for a bike ride this morning. It's now Sunday. Again, I just want to show the perfection that is small seed bar because I need a little extra fuel for this bike ride. Usually about 10 to 15 miles, about an hour and a half or so. I didn't eat breakfast. I had to go fasted with a little caffeine. Now I'm hungry, so I'm glad I brought this son of a bitch and I can fuel up. And it's awesome because it's got protein, carbs, and fats. Everything our body needs to thrive. And I got some H2O. I should probably drink some of that. But you can see, convenience without the compromise. It's the truth. This is my view on my bike ride. It's kind of cool. It's even better with this. Boom. Read it and weep. Convenience without compromise. Let's go. Now I'm back from the bike ride, and I have one last way I'm going to show you how I eat small seed bars. I've got a blueberry lemon muffin bar right here, and I just made a smoothie. So what I typically do is I take the bar and I just dunk it in the smoothie, like a Dunkaroo. If you know, you know. Here's a reminder, drink your water. I'll just take a bar, dunk it in my smoothie, and I'll usually like break it apart like this. And then when I take this bite, there'll be a little thing left. See? I just drop it in. There's usually about like 4 or 5 of those. So at the end of the smoothie, just have bite-sized pieces of the small seed bars at the bottom of the smoothie, and they soak up the smoothie, and it's so good at that point. This is one of the first ways I started to eat these, and it holds true today. So this is what I mean. At the bottom of my smoothie, got a couple crumbles in there, and I can't wait to get them. All right, everybody. That's a wrap on all the ways I eat small seed bars. I went through this entire video and I realized I never actually explained what the bar is. If you don't know what small seed bars are, you're gonna learn. Small seed bars are a plant-based protein bar / snack bar / cookie bar. Honestly made my life so much easier. If you're somebody who's serious about your health and fitness, or just your health, or you wanna start making healthier choices, this is the best place to start, I'm telling you. They're convenient, nutritious, extremely affordable considering what the company does. The company goes out of their way to make sure that they serve their customers with the best product at an affordable price. I don't really talk about many companies that I believe in as much as I believe in this company because they put action behind the words that they speak. They truly do want to make this planet healthier, starting with the people that live on it and the way we all treat this earth. If any of this piques your interest, please go down below, find the company on social media, check out the owners, get to know them, see what they're all about. Order some bars, tell them Tyler sent you. And remember, #SaveTheNut. With all that being said, if you guys took anything from this video, whether it be entertainment, maybe you got a chuckle because I'm funny, please leave a like and a comment on the video down below. Let me know what you want to see more of next, and I'll see you guys next time.